Ever wondered what's really happening underwater beyond what you see at the beach or on a boat ride? I'm talking about the secret world of aqua geography, where science students and researchers head out to places most people never even think about. Imagine glacial meltwater in the Arctic, or the winding currents of a muddy river. For aqua geographers, these aren't just pretty scenes, they're living laboratories. I might spend weeks on a research ship testing water samples for things like salt, nutrients, or even tiny microplastics. Or, in the middle of a mountain summer, I could be dragging data loggers into a freezing alpine lake just to track how fast the water's moving or what's floating in it. Here's the thing, so much of this fieldwork is hidden. I'm often dealing with wild weather, rough currents, or equipment that decides it wants to take a swim without me. Sometimes the only way to get real data is to dive in, literally think underwater safety drills and rescue gear, all for a few hours of collecting samples beneath a coral reef or along a glacier's edge. But these quick snapshots of fieldwork, they're actually the key to big picture problems. Tracking acid levels in a specific bay might help us understand global carbon cycles, or mapping river sediment during a storm could mean better flood predictions next year. What most people miss is how much teamwork goes into all of this. I'm not alone out there. Hydrologists, ecologists, and even local communities help decide where and how to study. Sometimes indigenous knowledge leads the way, showing patterns that satellites can't. Sure, I've got cool tools like drones and underwater robots, but they can only go so far. Someone still needs to get out there and set things up, and that's where the real adventure happens. Next time you see a calm lake or wild coastline, remember, there's a whole world of unseen fieldwork happening below the surface. Aqua geography isn't just about science. It's about exploring, protecting, and honestly, being a bit of a hero for the planet's most important resource.